Just got my BTECH UV Pro. Ordered this one for a number of reasons. I'm going to be flying and the drones, and I wanted to have an aviation radio. I also have been a ham for a number of years now, and I figured it's time to have a radio that can get to the Bluetooth, and I can use it with my phones. So I went with this one. I went with the tan. Plugging in the battery here into the back. Maybe I'm plugging it in that way. Very nice. This one is USB-C rechargeable, and like I say, I can pick up the aviation bands and it's Bluetooth. Very impressed. Decent size. Has a clip. Looks like we have a tool included, and then the USB recharger and a manual. Hope this helps.